When first I came unto this country, it was to view the sweet flowers gay. I fell in love with a pretty fair maid. She appeared to me like the Queen of May. I asked her kindly if she would marry, or if she would choose to be a sailor's wife. Oh no, kind sir, I would rather tarry, and I would choose the sweet single life. O fairest creature, the pride of nature, how come you differ from all female kind? For you are youthful, both fair and handsome. To marry you I am much inclined. Oh no, kind sir, since I must tell you, I have been promised these 5 years or more to the one O'Reilly from the county Leitrim, which often grieves my poor heartful soul. You are like the swan that sails the ocean, and making motions with both its wings. Your snow breast would make a portion for any lord or an Irish king. For you are youthful, both fair and handsome. You are fitting to be a queen. I wish I was in battle wounded before your beautiful face I had seen. I wish I had you in Fianna Harbour, 100 miles from your native home, or in some valley where none could find you. It's there with you I'd be content to roam. It's there that I would caress my jewel, if along with me she'd consent to go. I would sail you over to Pennsylvania and bid adieu to O'Reilly forevermore.